Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. It's time to do the oil change to your vehicle. I'm gonna show you how to do that on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I have videos on how to do it in other years, but I think I didn't do it on a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee, so that's why I'm gonna do it on this one to show you if there's any change in the vehicle. All right, so come with me. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna start this car just to check the mileage. This one has 35,000 miles. Uh, the 2021 has this screen in the middle of the driver and the passenger. I don't think I've seen it before, but there it is. Also says Macintosh. Huh. You mean Macintosh like the computer? I don't know. Anyways, let's do the oil change in this baby. All right, come on, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. We're gonna come through over here. This is how you open the hood. All right. This is the lever. You see the symbol. Pull it like that. You're gonna hear click. Here in the front is gonna be the lever. Push it to the left. That's the latch. You don't need to hold the hood. You got two pistons, right? Then here it is. Here she is. All right. Remove for oil filter service. Oil cap. All right. Remove this cap. Okay. This cap's gonna tell us what type of oil we're gonna use. 0W20. That's full synthetic. Okay. Now here is the for the oil filter. Okay. I could remove this cover. It's gonna be easier for me to remove the oil filter. But if you need to remove it, that's going to be 10 millimeter, 2 millimeter there. Okay. Socket. Now let me break it down for you. Oil dipstick right here. Okay. Coolant reservoir. Fuse box with auxiliary battery terminal, so you can boost it if your car dies. Washer, reservoir. It's the brake reservoir. There you go. A little bit hard to remove. Okay, it's a brake reservoir. Pretty much. Let's go to the bottom and drain the oil. Pulse. Did I forget to show you this? Yeah, 3.6 liter. All right, 2021. You see the spare tire, double exhaust, double muffler. Okay. EPV for sure. EPV brakes. Okay, the tank. It's a resonator. Now here is the where we're gonna drain the oil. All right. I'm glad I don't have to remove all this cover. Good that they have this spot only for the drain the oil. Got the front brakes. Easy was good over here. All right. Let's get. I don't know if it makes sense though, but one bolt is 10 millimeter, the other one is 13 millimeter. All right. There it is. It's gonna be 13 millimeters. We're gonna come through with the 13. Boom. Just like that. So, what you think about that? Do you want to go another 3,000 miles with this oil? You could though. Do you want to go another 5,000 miles with this oil? You could though. It's all good. I mean, if you ask me, it's kind of like a chocolate though. Mm. I mean, I could, but I wouldn't do it though. Me, if you ask me, I would just like I would replace the oil like 1,000 miles before it's due. You know what I'm saying? Um, yeah, you see, I'm about to get the oil drain plug back, but some people in the comments are gonna be like, "Yo, but there's oil still. You know, you didn't drain all the oil." If you wanna do that, you probably wanna do it like over the night. You know what I'm saying, let the oil drain over the night in your drive-through garage, whatever. You know, that's gonna do it. But if you don't wanna wait that long, you know, you could drive your car, warm it up, pour some diesel where no, no, for real, I'm not kidding. Pour some diesel where the oil goes in the engine and let it idle for a minute. The diesel is gonna rinse everything inside your engine. You know what I'm saying, and then drain the oil, and most of it is gonna come out more than draining the oil over the night. You know what I'm saying. Let me know what you think about that theory. Let me think about what you think about that technique. You know what I'm saying. Put it in the comment box. All right. All right. Let me put this back over here. We're gonna put it back. We're gonna tie it 13 millimeter. Deal. You know how it goes. Then we're just gonna go to the top and put this guy back too. Go to the top and pour the new oil. Oh, we gotta do the oil filter too. So come on. Just because if you guys, I'm gonna remove the cover, okay, so I have a better view of the oil filter. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Just pull it up like that. No, it's gonna expose the oil filter. Okay. For this oil filter right here, it's gonna be 24 millimeter socket. All right. Go there. You know, turn it counterclockwise. All right. Go. We're gonna clean that. I'm gonna put it on the side. That's the oil filter right here. There you go. We don't need this. Hello, is anybody there? Hello, it's me. For this, you know what to do with this. Remove the oil ring just like that. And we're gonna spray some brake cleaner, carb cleaner, clean all the way around. It's gonna look like this, okay? Pretty clean, pretty clean. Here's our filter right here. Pronto, that's the part number right there. CO6296. Right? It comes with a filter right here, brand new. Just put it like that, pop. Then it comes with the oil ring also. Oh, another thing about this oil filter. This brand tells you other options for your Grand Cherokee 2021, like frame, the part number, mobile, K&N, later and the part number for each one. All right. So shout outs to Pronto. I'm not being sponsored by Pronto, but I'm just giving you facts. You know what I'm saying? Here, got the oil ring for this. You see the groove, the big one. That's where it goes. Like so. Then I'm gonna put some grease just to make it easy. Grease here, and we're Gucci. 2 times. Grease. You let me know what type of lubricant you put in here. Brake lubricant, WD-40, uh, ball joint grease, transmission oil, engine oil. No, put it in the comment box. You know what you do. That's how I do it, just to make it easy when I put it back. You know what I'm saying? It's all about making it easy. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's put it back. Come through over here. Bam. There you go. Push aside these holes. Push aside the holes. And then, you see what I did right there? Alright. Put the oil filter back. Okay. Easy. Tight it. Snug it. Okay. If you need some torque specification for those torque freaks, it's 25 Newton. Okay. You better be watching. Don't be asking me later in the comment section, in the comment box. Yo, what's the torque for the oil filter? Come on, bro. Because it says right there. Okay, I'm not lying. It says right there. See that? The 25 right there. Okay. Let's put this back. Cover back. This is the old style. You see this one? It's for the old cover. Anyways, just gonna line it there. Put it there. Put the bolt back. All that. All right. Then the cover back. There you go. Get your funnel. We're gonna pour 5 quarts. 0W20 full tank, alright? There you go. Make sure you don't overflow at the bottom, okay? Make sure you don't overflow at the bottom, alright? Alright, once you're done putting the oil, got that? Okay, and you're Gucci. Alright, let's just start the car. Let's start the car for a minute, let the oil go through the whole system, shut it down, come through over here. I'm gonna pull it out, clean it, put it back in, pull it out, and the oil is supposed to be right here. You see this dot? Right there, okay? Make sure, look at both sides. Supposed to be right there or close to it, alright? Then just put it back, and that's it. Make sure the car is parked in a flat surface, okay? Flat spot, alright? Yeah. Everything Gucci over here. Close it quick. Yeah. Alright, here for this baby, we don't have to do much to reset the oil life, alright? Let's get that straight. It's Jeep. Now, all we're gonna do is click on this and step on the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you reset the oil life. Alright. In this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. American, by the way. Alright. If it didn't work, you just gotta do it again. Shut it down, turn it on, and step on the brake pedal faster. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The message is gonna be gone. Alright. 35,000 miles. I'm on a little ride here. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. You know what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. Alright. If you want to appreciate my work, Right below this video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for the tip. All right, and do your thing. Show some love, and I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Pause. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo. I'm out. Deal.